In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion. We'll start by setting up the foundation of your system. Create a new table database and name it Master Tasks. This will be your single source of truth where every task lives. Add a status property as a select field with options like Inbox, Next Action, Waiting for, and Done. This mirrors the core GTD workflow from capture to completion. Add a date property to track due dates or the day you plan to actually do the task. Create a priority property, either as a select or a number, with values such as P1, P2, and future to help you focus. Finally, add a context or tags property as a multi-select, so you can mark tasks with where or how they get done, like Fay Office, Fay Computer, or Fay Home. Next, set up structure for bigger outcomes. Create a separate projects database to hold multi-step outcomes. Link it to your master tasks using a relation property so each task can be tied to its project. If you like higher-level organization, add an areas of focus database, for example, health, career, or finance, and relate it to projects and tasks. This keeps everything aligned with your long-term commitments. Now, create a main page titled GTD Dashboard. On this page, add linked views of your master tasks database to surface the right tasks at the right time. For your inbox, filter to show items where status is inbox. If you already use an actionable property in your setup, you can also filter for items where actionable is empty to keep it as a pure capture bin. Create a next actions view that shows only tasks where status is next action. If you track completion with a done checkbox, make sure it's unchecked in this view, so only active items appear. Keep the display simple, just the title, date, priority, and context so you can scan quickly. Add a waiting for view to monitor delegated items. Filter for tasks where status is waiting for, and keep notes or tags that remind you who or what you are waiting on. Depending on how you track delegation in your system, include a someday or maybe view for non-urgent ideas and future projects. A simple filter that includes items with a priority like future keeps them out of your daily focus, but easy to revisit during reviews. Finally, add a quick capture button at the top of your dashboard using Notion's button block or a synced block. Configure it to create a new task in Master Tasks with status set to inbox so you can capture ideas instantly without leaving the page. Thanks for watching.